Hello friends, welcome to the Know About Electronics channel, and where today we are going to have the part 2 of the basic electronics. In the first part we have seen that classification of materials, which is classified into the three types, that is the conductor, semiconductor and insulator. And today we are going to start about the part 2 of the basic electronics. So let's start, and don't forget to share, subscribe and at least like the channel. Thank you so much, and give your comments in the comment box. If having any query about the electronics, then please have a comment and get your answers. Thank you so much. So let's start the part 2. So in the first part we have seen that conductor conducts the current. So we are going to look towards the property of the conductor. So take here the conductor that allows the current to flow through it. Okay, conductor which allows the current to flow through it. Current is denoted by the I. Okay, so what is the properties of the conductor? Why it allows the current to flow through it? What is there the thing that allows the current to flow through it? Because the resistance R in this conductor materials is low. Resistance is low, that's why it allows the current to flow through it. You are having the Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. That is means I is inversely proportional to R. If R decreases, I increase. Inversely proportional means opposite. Okay, if R is going to be decreased, then current is going to be increased. To allows the more current to flow, the resistance should be low. So here is the main thing, that I is inversely proportional to R. R is low in the conductor, that's why it increases the current, that it allows the current to flow through it. This is the main thing, that why it's called as the conductor. Next one, what is mean by R? R is nothing but the resistance. Okay, resistance or resistor. Okay, so to know about the resistor in a simple format, we will take an example. Here is the intersection of the roads. Okay, from this way, this way, all in the four ways there is a road, and that meets at one point. It's called as a intersection. If you are driving a car in this way, okay, take any in the way, take any road. Okay, if you are driving a car in this way and you are just a half kilometer from your intersection, and your vehicle is having the very high speed, if you are going with a very high speed to this road, then here is the possibility or chances of accidents is more. So to avoid this accident, to avoid this possibility of accident, here is the one thing is there on each road. What was that? That is a speed breaker. Okay, why it is used? To cool down or to decrease the speed of your vehicle and to avoid the possibility of accident, the speed breakers are used. So same way, to avoid, if your current is coming in this way from the main supply, okay, and your device is here, to you cannot, if you are going to allow the current whatever coming from this main supply to directly to your device, then the chances of accident, the chances of burn out your device is more. So to avoid that one, here is one thing is placed, that is called as a resistance or resistance. In this example, speed breaker is used, same as the speed breaker function, the resistor is used in our electronics. Okay, so resistance is denoted by the I, R, and it is measured in the ohm. The ohm sign is like this. This is the ohm sign, ohm. Okay. So we have seen that why conductor allows the current, because its resistance is very low, or at a low quantity. That's why it increases the allowness of the current. So in this way also we have studied that what is meant by the resistance, and we have took a simple example of the resistance that will give you the idea of the working of the resistance. Now we have seen that the conductor, and second one we are going to have a look towards the insulator. Okay, as I have told you that conductor and insulators are opposite. Okay, if conductor allowing the current, then insulator does not allowing the current. Why? The reverse of it. R is in conductor is low, that's why it is allowing the current to flow, and in the insulator R is very high, that's why it doesn't allow the current. Okay, because I is low, R is high. Okay, so this is the things that matters in this conductor and the insulator about the resistance. So next one, that is the semiconductor. Okay, semiconductor is also having the resistance, but what I have told you that the semiconductor having the property of the both conductor and the insulator, that's why it's having the resistance. We can denote it as a R means resistance, and for the S means semiconductor, RS. Okay, resistance of the semiconductor, which is greater than the insulator resistance and less than the conductor resistance. Okay, means what? Sorry, it's going to be reverse. Sorry for the mistake. Let's say here is the semiconductor RS, we will there's a conductor, and it is a insulator. Insulators is having the high resistance, it's having the low resistance. RS is having the greater resistance than the RC and less the resistance than the inductor. Okay, so it's having the medium R. Okay, so in the next lecture we will see that why we are choosing the RS, that is a semiconductor in our daily electronics things or daily electronics machines and everywhere. Okay, in the next part we will see it.